In the last 30 days, this YouTube channel has generated just over 1.5 million views. My goal is today that I will replicate and launch a very similar YouTube channel, but only using AI. The goal would be to automate the entire creative process, including script writing, visuals, and a voiceover. I found these types of channels popping up all over YouTube whilst researching for the best ideas for a faceless YouTube channel. But I did some research into this channel called Red Frost Motivation, a motivation quotes YouTube channel. So I looked into their channel further and I was amazed by their statistics. By only producing extremely simple videos like this one.
Never make the mistake of believing you are powerless. No matter what happens, you still have control over your thoughts and actions.
And as you can see, this YouTube channel makes over 44,000 every month. Let's get started. Alright, so our first steps are we want to go into ChatGPT and we want to put in this prompt here. Create 20 YouTube channel ideas for my quotes YouTube channel. And you just want ChatGPT to generate some ideas here. And we can choose any of these to be the name of our channel. So I'm gonna choose Wisdom Waves. That sounds like a good channel name. And put in the name. Next, we need a channel picture. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to Bing AI image generator. This is a free to use AI image generator. And the prompt we'll be putting into this AI generator is this image of an elderly wise Chinese gentleman with a white beard and hair holding an ancient scripture. And you just want to press create and see what the AI comes back with. Okay, so these are our options. I quite like this one. That's a nice image for a channel, so I'll just download that. And I'll just change the profile picture. Right, so now we've got our profile picture, we want to create our banner image. So we're just going to head over to Canva and type in YouTube banner. And then you just want to press create blank banner. And so for our channel banner, we just want this really simple, a nice black background, and we're going to head back over into ChatGPT. Now our next prompt we want to be using is create 10 entertaining YouTube banner captions about subscribing to a channel that focuses on inspirational videos. Now ChatGPT will come back with just a list really, and you want to just choose any. And I quite like this one, elevate your spirit, subscribe for daily inspiration. So we just want to copy that and head back into Canva. Go to text, add heading, and we just want to paste that in really. And we'll make that white so it's easier to see. Now, this doesn't have to be anything too special. It can just be something like this. Okay, now that's perfect. So we just want to download that and press download. I'm going to head back over on our channel, add our banner. Perfect. Alright, our next step is script generation. Now there's only one simple prompt for this, and it is write 50 Asian proverbs and quotes in English only, without including the author's name. You just want to give that to ChatGPT and it will generate 50 Asian proverbs for you. Now once it has generated all of these, you just want to copy all of them. And that is script generation done. Okay, so our next step is to generate our AI voice. So you want to just head over to ttsmaker.com and you want to just paste your script in here. And you can choose any of these free voices. And I'm going to choose Ethan US. Now to convert this text to speech, you just have to input the verification code that comes up. Once you have done this, it will start generating your text-to-speech.
A wise man adapts himself to circumstances, as water shapes itself to the vessel. A journey of 1,000.
So as we can see, it's generated our text-to-speech voice, and we just want to download the voice file. Perfect. Okay, now once we have our AI generated voice, we want to create the actual video that will go along with the voice. So you want to just head back into Canva where your banner was, just delete the text, and you want to add in your AI generated image of a wise old Chinese man. So I'm just going to place him right about here, and then I'm going to press edit photo and go on background remover. And that's perfect. So we just want to download this image now. Okay, once we have the image downloaded, we want to head over to did.com and press free trial. Now it will take us to this page and we just want to press create video. And usually it'll ask you to add your presenter. You just want to press here and drop in your Canva file that you created. Now you've got the choice here to add your script, but since we've already got our script, we'll just upload it. Once you've added the audio file, it'll just take a while to kind of sync up the edits with the audio file. So just be patient. Okay, now once it's uploaded, you just want to check if your AI voice has uploaded to this site.
Adapts himself to circumstances.
Right, so as we can hear, ours is, we just want to press generate video and generate. And now here it'll just be generating our video, so we just have to wait a little bit longer. Okay, now our video is generated. We just want to play to see if it has synced up our script with
A wise
visuals.
man adapts himself to circumstances as water shapes itself to the vessel. A journey of 1,000 miles.
Perfect. Now let's move on to the next step. Once your video is generated, you want to press on these three dots here and press download. And it'll start to download your video. So once you've downloaded the video, you just want to press upload and whack it into CapCut and then drag it down to the bottom here. Now we just want to adjust the aspect ratio for YouTube, and that's perfect. So to add captions, you just want to press captions over here, auto captions, and press create, generate. And automatically CapCut will add in captions. Now once this is done, you want to take your captions here and we're going to make it a bit more nicer to look at. So I'm just going to take this black canvas background and kind of make it disappear just by taking the opacity down. Perfect. And we're just going to move our captions up to here and add a capital letter where this A is. Now let's see how our captions are doing.
A wise man adapts himself to circumstances as water shapes itself to the vessel.
Now we can see our text is coming off the screen, so we're just going to make it a little bit smaller.
A wise man adapts himself to circumstances as water shapes itself to the vessel. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
That's perfect. You know it's going to be a little bit laggier when you edit it online, but that'll be fine. It'll turn out good in the final edit. So we've seen that our text is in the right place, and I'm quite happy with this video now, so I'm just going to export it. Okay, now once our video is exported, we just want to press download. And now it's downloading, we can head over to YouTube and start uploading the video. Okay, once our video is exported, we want to just head back over onto YouTube and upload the video. Now we want to head back into ChatGPT and we want to ask it, create 10 titles for a YouTube video about inspirational Chinese quotes and idioms. Okay, I quite like number 6 here, so we're just going to copy and paste that as our title. Okay, our next prompt we want to ask ChatGPT is if it can create a short YouTube video description to attract views for a video called, and we just want to get our title again and put that in there. Okay, here it has generated our video description. So again, we just want to copy and paste that. And our final prompt is create long and short keywords for a YouTube video called, and you just want to copy and paste your title again. So just again, we just want to copy all these long keywords and paste them into here. Okay, now we've got our tags in our video. We want to head over to create the thumbnail. Okay, so our next step is to create the thumbnail for the video. So what we want to do is just head back into Canva with our image here, and we want to go back to ChatGPT and just select any quote, but only do half. So I'm going to choose this one here. We're just going to go to text, add heading, and just paste our quote in here. We're just going to change the color to white and add some speech marks. And we're just going to reposition it here. Next, we want to go over to elements and type in brush. You want to get this first one that comes up here and just make it a little bit bigger so it covers the second half of the text. Next, you want to change the color to red, and then you just want to select these three dots here, go onto layer and send backwards, just so it goes beneath the text. Okay, that's perfect for a thumbnail, so we'll download this now. So we just want to go back over to our YouTube video and upload thumbnail. Perfect. Now our final touches are, we want to press this here, go down to here and make sure this is selected. And our category, we want to put it as education. And then we just want to press next, next, and next, and then set it as public. And we want to just publish our video. And that is how you create these sorts of videos.
A wise man adapts himself to circumstances, as water shapes itself to the vessel. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. A diamond with a flaw is better than a pebble without one. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
And that's it. You can now make YouTube videos using AI and monetize your channel. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.